Welcome to Live Nourished Today. As we embrace the beauty of fall and the spirit of Thanksgiving, let's take a moment to reflect on what nourishes our bodies and souls. Join us in celebrating this season of gratitude, warmth, and togetherness. Now, before we get started, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more. Now, a lot of people want to know what Thanksgiving Day is and why it's celebrated. So, Thanksgiving Day is celebrated in America on the fourth Thursday of November. On this day, people gather for a day of feasting with family, friends, and relatives. This holiday has a long history, which started in 1620. A Protestant religious group, known today as Pilgrims, arrived in the New World on board the ship called Mayflower and settled in Massachusetts. Their first winter in America was full of hardship and drama. They arrived too late to farm the land, so they starved, and half of the colony died from disease. The following spring, the local tribe of Native Americans taught them how to grow corn, hunt, and fish. In autumn of 1621, the Pilgrims got a rich harvest of corn, barley, beans, pumpkin, and other vegetables. The first Thanksgiving was a 3-day feast. Prior to dining, they all praised the Lord and thanked Him for all the food and wealth He gave them. This is how the festivity got started. Let's get back to our days and discuss modern Thanksgiving Day traditions. Family feast is an important tradition. The entire family comes together, sits at the table, offers prayers to the Lord, and celebrates. Though historians don't have any evidence to prove the turkey was eaten during the first Thanksgiving dinner, but the Thanksgiving celebration would be incomplete without it. The traditional Thanksgiving parade started with President Lincoln proclaiming it an unofficial day. The full dress parade is a way to display the country's military strength and discipline and to lift the spirits of the spectators. Thanksgiving is a time to decorate the home with wreaths, fresh and dried flowers. People give the interiors a whole new look and feel. Thanksgiving Day is when people send loving messages and warm wishes to their relatives and friends. Now, are you ready to play some Thanksgiving trivia? Let's get into it. What year did Pilgrims arrive in America on the Mayflower? A. 1800 or B. 1620? The answer is B. 1620. What Native American tribe helped the Pilgrims learn how to grow food? A. Iroquois or B. Wampanoag? The answer is B. Wampanoag. What do we call the big meal the Pilgrims had to celebrate their harvest? A. Thanksgiving feast or B. Christmas dinner? The answer is A. Thanksgiving feast. Did you get that one? Who was the president that made Thanksgiving a national holiday? A. George Washington or B. Abraham Lincoln? B. Abraham Lincoln. Keep up the great work. What type of food is often eaten on Thanksgiving? A. Turkey or B. Ice cream? A. Turkey. Don't forget to share your score in the comments below. How many days did the first Thanksgiving celebration last? A. 2 or B. 3? B. 3 days. Why did the Pilgrims come to America? A. To escape bad weather or B. To seek religious freedom? B. To seek religious freedom. What colorful vegetable is often associated with Thanksgiving? A. Carrot or B. Pumpkin? B. Pumpkin. What's your favorite pumpkin dish? What do people often do on Thanksgiving besides eating? A. Go to school or B. Spend time with family? B. They often spend time with family. What day do we celebrate Thanksgiving in the United States? A. First Monday in December or B. Last Thursday in November? B. The last Thursday in November. Thank you for participating in our Thanksgiving quiz. Remember, this season is not just about the food. It's about cherishing moments with family and friends, appreciating what we have, and giving back to our communities. All of us at Live Nourish Today, happy Thanksgiving. May your hearts be filled with gratitude, and may you nourish your body and soul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Thanksgiving traditions in the comments below.